Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Happy Monday. Today's video is going to be a part 4 of my spring cleaning series, so let's get started. So today I just started on the stairs, and the first thing I did was went through and vacuumed them all, got all of any crumbs, dirt, dust, dog hair, anything off of the stairs, and then I went through and spot cleaned them with some warm water and a magic eraser, and this was so needed. The stairs were very dirty just from the high traffic and going up and down, the dogs going up and down, so it was definitely much needed. I will say my OCD gave me a little bit of a hard time because I could not get it nearly as shiny as I wanted it to. There is a lot of marks that are just from the dogs or shoes or walking that make it look dirtier than it is, so I did struggle a little bit with that, but I did get them very clean.
Talking rude, you're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come
on! So next I used my Swiffer with a towel on the end of it, like I showed you guys in my last video, with it rubber banded, and then I used the liquid that was inside of my Swiffer to spray each of the stairs. I will have the liquid linked in the description box below, but it is designed for wood. It's the wood wet jet spray, and I used that on all of the stairs just to kind of give it an added extra cleaning.
When I use my witchcraft, when I use my witchcraft, watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft.
Moved on to upstairs, and the first thing I did was just dust all of the ceilings and corners just to kind of get any cobwebs or dust off before I vacuumed everything, just to make sure nothing fell onto the ground. And then I went into this little nook area that we have and did the windows and the window seals, which also was very much needed. I'm going through and editing this video. I just want to say that I'm so sorry for that tag that is constantly sticking out of the back of my shirt. It has been driving me crazy this entire edit, but I can't take it back now. over here to the left of me in this video that has some blankets that I still need to wash. There are down comforters, and also in that very back corner is where we store our suitcases. I did not pull all of that out and clean behind it. It was just too overwhelming for me at this point. I will get down and do it. I just haven't quite done it yet. We did have our suitcases out quite a few weeks ago, so it's not super dirty back there. It may be a little bit dusty, but it's not too bad, so I wasn't really concerned.
I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking.
So the next thing I did was just reorganize the office area. I put some things away and just sort of reorganized the desks a little bit, wiped them both down. I cleaned the floor. You'll be able to see underneath both of the desks was super dusty and a little embarrassing. So I was able to get all of that clean, and then I went through and vacuumed out the window seals and cleaned the windows just to kind of get any dead bugs that might have been lying in the window seals.
Lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you.
Alright guys, well that will conclude this very short and sweet spring cleaning for this Motivation Monday. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I post videos every Monday. Cleaning videos, decluttering videos, just videos to kind of get you through the week and keep you motivated. I hope this video did the same, and I will talk to you guys next Monday for Motivation Monday. Bye guys!